Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to talk about spider mites and repotting plants that I've got spider mites on. So you can see I have got a peace lily and a not so good looking calathea plant. So this plant was bought like some months ago and it was really lush, beautiful until it got spider mites. So spider mite attacked it so much that I've been treating it, but it's not helping. I think they are now in the soil, so I'm going to just change the soil and wash the roots. As you can see, I don't know, you can see the spider mites if they're still here. I'm trying to zoom it in. Because I washed them like 2-3 days ago with really high pressure water, so that's why you can't see them right now. So that's it, and you can see spider mites on this one. Those more tiny things, those are spider mites. So I've got spider mites on both of them. So I'm going to change the soil, wash them thoroughly, and plant the peace lily in this pot, a smaller pot because the rest of it's dead anyway. And then I'm going to put the calathea in the same pot where it is, but the new soil. So the soil I bought for my muddy plant, which I also uploaded a video, the last video uploaded. So the John Innes, called John Innes number 2, potting on compost. I really like that soil because it's really loose and really good for indoor plants. So this is Westland John Innes number 2. So make sure it's number 2, not number 1 and number 3, because number 3 is for plants that are mostly outdoor, and number 1 is for seedlings. So that's it. So let's get started with repotting those plants. So just keep watching. Taken out the good parts of the plant from the peace lily, rinsed them. I got a tub and I filled with the lukewarm water, and then I had dish soap in it, and then mixed it, and then I just washed these the whole plant in the tub. So that's it. So I just actually dipped the whole plant inside and I washed the leaves to get the excess, if there's any more infection. And same with this guy. So I did the same. As you can see, the leaves really shiny now, wet, with the roots as well. As you can see, the roots, everything is so good. have potted the plants. As you can see, I love this soil, it's really good. So you can see the peace lily as well, looking really cute. So that's it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you later in the next video. Bye.